The following is a video presentation on the proper use of the K-39. It is designed to make the operation of your K-39 machine easy and efficient. The K-39 is designed to clean bath, lavatory, and kitchen sink drains. Before assembling or operating the K-39, be sure to read the operator's manual. Safety instructions are located in the front of the manual. Read and understand all the safety and operating instructions before operating the K-39. Read all warning labels on the machine. For your convenience, this video is divided into the following segments so you can quickly find what you need. Features of the K-39. Cleaning a drain line. Instructions for mounting and using a power feed. Pull the hand grip rearward and lock into the engaged position. This action increases torque and locks the cable so it can be forced into the blockage as the drum continues to spin. Push the hand grip forward to disengage and draw the cable out of or into the canister. Operate the variable speed switch at any speed from 0 to a maximum of 550 RPMs. The speed is controlled by the pressure you apply to the trigger. The forward-reverse lever is located over the variable speed trigger switch. For clockwise or forward rotation, push the lever to the right. For counterclockwise or reverse rotation, push the lever to the left. The power unit must be completely stopped before moving the forward-reverse lever, and the reverse position should only be used to retrieve the cable. To clean a drain, put the machine in the forward position. Push the hand grip forward and pull 10 to 12 inches of cable out of the canister and insert into the line to be cleaned. Pull the hand grip rearward until it snap locks into position. Squeeze the variable speed trigger switch gently and carefully push the cable down the line. Do not force the cable. Push the hand grip forward again and draw an additional 10 to 12 inches of cable. Repeat this process until you reach the drain blockage. When you reach the blockage, pull the hand grip rearward to grip the cable. At this point, progress depends on the type of tool being used and the nature of the blockage to advance the cable slowly. If the cable and blade get hung up in the blockage, release the trigger switch and let the motor come to a complete stop before reversing. Put the machine in reverse. Press the trigger switch only until the cable and blade is free of the obstruction. Then release the switch immediately. As soon as the cable and blade has stopped and the motor has stopped completely, return the machine to forward and continue feeding the cable through the obstruction. To retrieve the cable from the line, leave the machine in forward, pull the hand grip rearward, and then pull back the entire cleaner. As excess cable is retracted from the line, push the hand grip forward and push the cable back into the canister. Continue this until the cable end is located in the drain opening. Turn the machine off just prior to the cable or head emerging from the drain opening. Retrieve the remainder of the cable by hand. When mounting the power feed, do not remove any parts from the drain gun. Lift up the feed actuator lever to expose the screw hole in the hand grip. It should require effort to lift the handle. Align the power feed unit onto the hand grip of the K-39. Secure the power feed unit with the 4 screws provided. Tighten the screws snugly, but do not over-tighten. The slotted holes are for convenience only and can be aligned as desired. Make sure the roller holder is installed properly. Push the feed actuator lever back down into its locked position. To use the power feed, insert the cable into the drain opening by hand as far as possible before turning the machine on. Leave approximately 6 inches of cable between the drain opening and the nose of the machine. Be sure the machine is in the forward position. Turn the machine on and be sure the entire cable is spinning and the hand grip is pushed forward all the way before you continue. Depress the power feed's actuator lever to feed the cable into the drain. Know how long your run of cable is prior to cleaning. Feed the cable into the drain until obstruction is encountered or cable begins to bind up. Release the feed actuator lever and pull back the hand grip chucking mechanism. Work the machine and cable back and forth to break through the blockage. Once the drain is open and flowing, continue feeding additional cable with the power feed to clean the rest of the drain. To retrieve the cable, stop the machine completely. Disengage the hand grip chucking mechanism. Put the machine in reverse. Activate the machine and depress the feed actuator lever. It will automatically retrieve the cable from the drain. The only adjustment on the power feed is the round top adjustment screw under the feed actuator lever. Its purpose is to adjust the distance the feed actuator lever has to be depressed to engage different size cables. Turn the knob clockwise to accommodate the larger 3/4 inch cable, and turn the knob counterclockwise to accommodate the 5/8 inch cable. No adjustment is necessary direct from the factory.